साबिक कांग्रेस सदर राहुल गांधी जल्लीकट्टू देखने तमिलनाडु के दौरे पर हैं। राहुल गांधी मदुरई जिले में जल्लीकट्टू प्रोग्राम में शामिल हुए, जहां उन्होंने मदुरई से मरकजी हुकूमत पर तनकीद की। राहुल ने कहा कि हुकूमत अपने कुछ खास दोस्तों के लिए किसानों की जमीन हड़पना चाहती है, जिसके खिलाफ पूरा मुल्क खड़ा हो गया। राहुल ने मजीद कहा कि सरकार कुछ सनअतकारों को फायदा पहुंचा रही है। इस मौके पर उन्होंने मरकज पर एक कल्चर थोपने का भी इल्जाम लगाया। उन्होंने कहा कि मुल्क सैकड़ों कल्चर, कई जबान और मजाहिब का मुल्क है, जिसकी पहचान को मिटाया नहीं जा सकता।
They are not ignoring them. They are trying to destroy them. They are trying to destroy them because they want to benefit 2 or 3 of their friends. They want to give what belongs to the farmer to 2 or 3 of their friends. They want to take the land of the farmer, they want to take the produce of the farmer, and they want to give it to their friends. That is what is happening. So the word neglect is too weak a word to explain what is taking place. The other thing is that the farmers of this country are the backbone of this country. If anybody thinks that you can suppress farmers and this country will continue to prosper, they just have to look at our history. Whenever Indian farmers are weak, India is weak. You are helping handful of businesses. When Corona comes, you are not helping the common man. You are not supporting the common man. Whose prime minister are you? Are you the prime minister of the people of India, or are you the prime minister of 2-3 selected businessmen?
और इस मौके पर राहुल गांधी ने जल्लीकट्टू को लेकर क्या कहा, आइए सुनते हैं।
I also witnessed Jallikattu and had quite a nice time. Got a sense of why Tamil people appreciate Jallikattu. I must also say something. There was a sense, many people had mentioned to me that Jallikattu is harmful to the bulls. So I'm happy to say that there have been some changes to make it safer for everybody. One of the main reasons I came was today the government in Delhi is under the impression that they can destroy the cultures of this country.